Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to my class. So, in class 4B GK, we are going to do today national flowers. Today we are going to do page 13 and page 14. Alright. So, you see, the following are the national flowers of some countries. Okay. So, here we are going to study the national flowers of these following countries. Alright. Okay. So, one by one we are going to talk about them. What is the national flower of Afghanistan? So you see here I am going to write down the name of the countries and write down the national flowers of that particular country. Okay. So you see here, number one, it is here Afghanistan. So the national flower of Afghanistan is tulip. Okay. So number one, Afghanistan. Okay. Okay. So the national flower of Afghanistan is tulip. You should know this. What is the national flower of Afghanistan? Tulip. Okay. Next one, you see, what is the national flower of Bangladesh? That is white water lily is the national flower of Bangladesh. Okay. What is the national flower of Bangladesh? So that is white water lily. White water lily. Okay. Next one, you see, what is the national flower of Bhutan? That is blue poppy. The pictures are given, you can see, of Bhutan. It is blue poppy. Okay, what is the national flower of Bhutan? That is blue poppy. Okay, what is the national flower of India? Everyone knows we are Indians. So what is the national flower of India is lotus. National flower of India is lotus. Okay. So what is the national flower of Malaysia? What is the national flower of Malaysia? That is shoe flower. Shoe flower, also known as hibiscus. You know, shoe flower is a very common flower in India also. So shoe flower is also known as hibiscus. Okay, next one, you see, what is the national flower of Pakistan? What is the national flower of Pakistan? So the national flower of Pakistan is jasmine. The national flower of Pakistan is jasmine. See once again, the national flower of Afghanistan is tulip. The national flower of Bangladesh is white water lily. The national flower of Bhutan is blue poppy. The national flower of India is lotus. The national flower of Malaysia is shoe flower, that is hibiscus. The national flower of Pakistan is jasmine. Okay. You see, next number is Denmark. That is number 7. What is the national flower of Denmark? Okay. So the national flower of Denmark is daisy. Okay, the pictures of the flowers are given, you can see. Okay, if you don't know that particular flower, you can search also, you can see. Okay, so next number, what is the national flower of Mexico? What is the national flower of Mexico? So the national flower is dahlia. Actually that is dahlia. Okay, the national flower of Mexico is dahlia. Okay. The national flower of Spain is carnation. Okay? The national flower of Spain is carnation. Okay? Next number you see. What is the national flower of France? The national flower of France is Irish. You see the flower Irish. Okay. What is the national flower of England? The national flower of England is red rose. What is the national flower of England is red rose. Okay. Next number you see. What is the national flower of Japan? What is the national flower of Japan? That is cherry blossom. The national flower of Japan is cherry blossom. Okay. What is the national flower of North Korea? What is the national flower of North Korea? That is magnolia. The national flower of North Korea is magnolia. Okay. Alright. Once again you see. What is the national flower of Denmark is daisy. What is the national flower of Mexico? That is dahlia. National flower of Spain is carnation. National flower of France is Irish. National flower of England is red rose. National flower of Japan is cherry blossom. National flower of North Korea is magnolia. Okay. Please see what is the national flower of Russia. This is number 14. What is the national flower of Russia? What is the national flower of Russia? The national flower of Russia is chamomile. Okay. Chamomile. Okay. So the national flower of Russia is chamomile. Alright. Next one you see. What is the national flower of Belgium? What is the national flower of Belgium? The national flower of Belgium is red poppy. The national flower of Belgium is red poppy. Next number you see. What is the national flower of Portugal? What is the national flower of Portugal? So the national flower of Portugal is lavender. Lavender. Okay. The national flower of Portugal is lavender. Okay. Next number you see. What is the national flower of Ukraine? What is the national flower of Ukraine? That is sunflower. Common flower. We all know this flower, isn't it? Sunflower is the national flower of Ukraine. Okay. Next number you see. What is the national flower of Zambia? What is the national flower of Zambia? So the national flower of Zambia is bougainvillea. Okay. It is bougainvillea. The national flower of Zambia is bougainvillea. Okay. What is the national flower of Uruguay? What is the national flower of Uruguay? So the national flower of Uruguay is Kowhai. Kowhai. That this is Kowhai. Okay. The national flower of Uruguay is Kowhai. Okay. Next number you see. What is the national flower of Australia? What is the national flower of Australia? The national flower of Australia is Acacia. Okay. ACACIA. Acacia is the national flower of Australia. Okay. What is the national flower of Sri Lanka? What is the national flower of Sri Lanka? So the national flower of Sri Lanka is Manil. You see the flower? The national flower of Sri Lanka is Manil. Okay. So students, you see now, once again you please see. Okay. The national flower of Russia is chamomile. The national flower of Belgium is red poppy. The national flower of Portugal is lavender. The national flower of Ukraine is sunflower. The national flower of Zambia is bougainvillea. The national flower of Uruguay is kohai. The national flower of Australia is acacia. The national flower of Sri Lanka is manil. Okay students, you have to do this in your GK copies. Alright, so we have completed our first unit syllabus. Okay, it was till here, till page number 14. Okay, so we have done all the lessons here. Please follow. Our first unit syllabus was from page number 5 to page number 14. We have completed group names, words for birds, how they move, odd one out, places for plants, plant quiz, animal sounds and national flowers we have done. Alright students, so please go through everything what is being taught. Alright, and please note down in your GK copies so that during afterwards you can take out and study them. Okay, alright, thank you.